Wei, but you can call me Wei because when I was a high school student, my classmates always called me that, so I started to like that name. I'm 18 years old. I am a freshman. I'm studying at Water Resources University in Vietnam. It is called Thriller University. In my free time, I regularly watching TV and eating food. So today I want to talking about the topic numbers. Let's go. My weight and my height is 168 centimeters and 18 kilograms. My height and my weight have BMI 12. My phone number is 03934964001. My father's soul and weight is 170 centimeters and 60 kilograms. My mother's weight and height is 150 centimeters and 50 kilograms. I also have a pet. His name is Lucky. His weight and height is 2 kilograms and 50 centimeters. I love him so much. My mother's phone number is 093456882. My father's phone number is 039346881. In my free time, I like to number something I love, like one dog, his dog is yellow, or one cat, her cat have color pink. The cat too have color red. The cat three have color black. And my birthday is September 9, 2007. My father's birthday is June 29, 1985. My mother's birthday is
Ok, so thumbs up everyone. Hết thời gian. Bây giờ mình